physical body is, for me, it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle for our soul, because we signed up to, heal wounds and live a life purpose, and whether or not we ever, are led to that. But it is a vehicle, really. It's a mass. It's more of a dense mass. And the etheric body is just, it's like, well, what it looks like to me when I shine light, it's supposed to be just clear and flowing and bright and translucent. Well, it is translucent because you can't see it without, a Curlian photography or, clairvoyance, I guess, so far today anyway. So, but the beautiful thing is, it's like, it's a beautiful question, really, because it's like a relationship, right? Like, one is completely opposite than the other in many, many ways, but they still have to work together. They have to find a way and keep each other safe, right? Keep each other healthy, love each other. And it's not one or the other. It's both. They both have to flow for optimal health, right? So one does not have more time than the other. One does not have more importance than the other.